Namaste. Beginner Asana Flow is suitable for anyone who wishes to start their yoga practice with no experience at all. This sequence comprises of asanas which will help in bringing activeness throughout the body, and once the practice is completed, will leave you mentally calm and rejuvenated, also bringing a balance between your mind, body and spirit. We'll start the practice by standing on the mat with 1 foot distance between the feet. Keeping the arms by the side and feet firm on the ground, maintain a straight spine. On inhaling, raise the arms up simultaneously, lifting the heels and balancing on your toes. Start stretching upwards and reaching towards the sky. Keeping your core engaged and gaze at one point in front will help you maintain this balance. This pose, which is Tadasana, helps maintain the correct posture of the spine and brings stability in body as well as mind. Gazing at one point helps in improving your concentration power. On exhaling, gently bring your arms down from the sides and simultaneously the heels down as well. Next asana which we'll be performing is Konasana. For this, place your feet at 2 feet distance, keeping the outer edge of the feet parallel to each other. On inhaling, lift your right arm up from the front, keeping it beside the ear. On exhaling, bend towards the left, making sure the chest always faces towards the front. The left arm remains straight while the arm which is up keeps extending sideways, giving a complete stretch on the right side of the chest and abdomen. While inhaling, come back to the center and simultaneously bring the arm down from the side. Now let's do the same sequence on the left side. Raise your left arm from the front and place it straight beside the ear. On exhaling, start bending towards the right, extending completely to the side. Lengthening the left side, feel the stretch, continue breathing while holding the pose. This asana helps in increasing the lung capacity as it helps open the chest and strengthens its muscles. Come back to the original position by bringing the arm down from the side. Now bring your feet back at 1 foot distance. Keep the arms by the side. On inhaling, lift them up from the front and place them beside the ears. Then on exhaling, bend forward from the waist, keeping the arms along with the ears throughout the movement. Reach the toes with your hands, but keep the neck and back in one straight line. If you are not able to reach your toes, place your hands on the shins and breathe normally in Padhastasana. Now placing the palms beside your feet, take both the legs back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the hands on the mat, push the shoulders down and push the chest towards the knees. Press the heels down towards the mat and lift the hips upwards. Keep on breathing normally. Now bend the knees and keep them on the mat and sit on your heels. From here, take the legs in front one by one and sit in Dandasana. Keep the back straight and neck in line with the spine. Place your hands slightly behind the hips with fingers facing forward. Bend the knees and place feet on the mat. On inhaling, start lifting your pelvis up and keep on lifting it till your body becomes parallel to the mat. Keep the gaze upwards so that neck is in straight line with the back. This asana is called Ardha Purvottanasana. Continue breathing normally and slowly bring the hips down on the mat while exhaling. Now we'll practice Janu Shirshasana. For this, bend the right leg and place the right foot in the inner side of the left thigh. On inhaling, lift both the arms upwards and place them beside the ears. Now on exhaling, bend forward from the waist and place the hands on the toes of the left leg. Keep the back straight and avoid rounding of the neck, for which keep looking upwards. Breathe normally and hold the pose for 10 seconds. This is an amazing asana to loosen up tight hamstrings. To come out of the pose, lift the arms up while inhaling and on exhaling, bring the arms down from the side. Now let's do the same asana on the other side. Straighten the right leg and bend the left leg to place the left foot in the inner side of the right thigh, close to the groins. Keeping the back straight, raise both the arms upwards on inhaling. On exhaling, bend forward from the waist and place the hands on the left toes. With each exhale, try to go a little more downwards, bringing the chest closer to the legs. Feel the spine lengthening each time. On inhaling, take the arms upwards and then on exhaling, bring the arms down sideways, simultaneously straightening the left leg as well. Let's prepare for our next asana, Yastikasana. Take both the arms upwards on inhaling and place them above the head. Interlock your fingers and stretch your feet by pointing the toes downwards. Stretch in opposite directions. Visualize yourself as a stick being pulled and stretched on both ends. Allow the spine to lengthen and de-stress. On exhaling, bring the arms back at the side of the body. Our next asana called Vipareet Karni. For Vipareet Karni, keeping the arms firmly beside the body, lift the legs up, keeping the knees straight. Lift the legs to place them at 90 degrees with the body. This asana can also be done beside the wall. It is very beneficial in calming the nerves of the lower limbs, relieving tiredness and cramps, and toning and strengthening the abdominal muscles. Start bringing the legs down while exhaling, and now prepare yourself for Shavasana. Separate your legs, separate your arms, and turn the hands to face the palms towards the sky. Allow complete deep relaxation. Say this to yourself: I am letting go and relaxing completely. You can practice this flow daily for amazing health benefits.